Hi everyone, I am from ABS team. This video is to teach you the way to do the refund for checkout the room collection early. Now we go to room rack. Select the room. As you can see, the departure date is not arrived yet. But the customer want to early checkout by today. So now we go to payment. Select the payment type we want to refund. Write down the comment. Then enter the amount with negative and click Save. Then now we can do the checkout already. Hope this video can help you on the way to do the checkout for the room collection by refund method. Thank you.